What if I told you that you could make soft, fluffy, bakery-style banana muffins using just your air fryer? No oven, no complicated steps, just a few simple ingredients and 15 minutes of baking. If you have one ripe banana sitting on your counter, don't throw it away. Let's turn it into the most delicious homemade banana muffins you'll ever make. First, take one ripe banana and place it in a mixing bowl. Mash it really well with a fork until it's nice and smooth. You can also use a potato masher if that's easier. Now add 1/3 cup of sugar and mix it together with the mashed banana. Take your time here because we want the sugar to start dissolving into the banana. Next, crack in 1 egg followed by 1/4 cup of oil. Mix everything together until the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. At this stage, your batter should look creamy with no streaks of egg remaining. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. Place a strainer over the bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Sifting helps remove lumps and makes the muffins lighter and fluffier, so don't skip this step if you can. Using a spatula or whisk, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Mix only until you no longer see any dry flour. Overmixing can make the muffins dense instead of soft, so keep it gentle. Now add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Gently fold everything together until the chocolate chips are evenly mixed throughout the batter. This way, every bite is packed with delicious chocolate goodness. If you're a true chocolate lover, don't be shy. Add a few extra chocolate chips on top for that beautiful bakery-style finish. Next, place muffin liners into your muffin tin and slowly pour the batter into each one. Fill each liner about 3/4 full, giving the muffins enough room to rise into soft, fluffy perfection. Take your time here. An even fill means beautifully baked muffins every single time. Now place the muffin tin into your preheated air fryer and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Every air fryer is slightly different, so after 15 minutes, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your muffins are perfectly baked. Once they're done, carefully remove them from the air fryer and let them cool for a few minutes before taking them out of the muffin tin. As they cool, you'll notice the tops stay beautifully fluffy, while the inside remains soft, moist, and packed with sweet banana flavor. Serve them warm and enjoy the melty chocolate chips with every bite. They're perfect for breakfast, tea time, lunch boxes, or whenever you're craving a quick homemade treat. If you enjoyed this easy air fryer recipe, don't forget to like, save, and share it with someone who loves baking. Follow for more simple, delicious recipes you can make right at home. Happy baking!